Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel, and of course I found another beautiful and awesome product on Aliexpress, and this one cost or start from $10 and I can see that it goes to $30 depend on where you are living, in which country. And what do you think? What is it? What it says in the title? 15,000 rotations per minute turbine mini fan or turbo mini fan 2-in-1 blower plus vacuum cleaner. Wow! High velocity airflow for snow, for blowing dust, removal pet hair, or whatever you want to use it. It's rechargeable, of course. It have a display with beautiful yellow color, and I found it interesting, and that's why I have ordered it and I got it. And by the way, to mention, I will put discount codes below so you can use and to save some money, and you will get this product little bit cheaper. Just check the description below. What it says: super power turbo fan. The model HF93-HFX93X. I don't know what it means. Wow. We have the instruction manual. One more. We have the Type-C charging cable, some attachments. Beautiful packaged. Oh, take a look at that color. And you need to believe me, the plastic, it's not like that cheap one. It's smooth. This tape is for protecting the power button from accidentally being pressed while it's shipped. Oh, that is nice. Oh, beautiful. So, oh, we have lock and unlock sign. Ooh. How is it? Oh, nice. Beautiful. So, here we have, what is this? A LED, a Type-C connector for charging, and the display. What it says in description: deep clean in seconds, super powerful brushless motor, 2-in-1 blow and suction. But for suction you need this part. I don't have that part. What it says else: 15,000 rotation per minute, 5 gears adjustable, first speed soft wind, second speed strong wind, third super strong wind, 4 violent wind, and max wind. And it says how much in minutes it will last. First speed 100 minutes, second 80, third 50, 4 30 minutes, and fifth gear around 13 minutes. That is maximum wind. Where it says about the battery? Why? What it says? I can't find it. Oh, here it is. It says 6,000 milliamperes long-lasting battery. Alright, time for testing. Powering in 3, 2, 1. Oh, first it shows battery percentage. It's at 80%. No, I need to hold it. Whoa! Speed number 1. It's a little bit loud. Oh, it's opposite. From this way. Wow. Let's try speed number 2. 4, it's pretty loud. 6 speed. And back to 1. With 2 fast presses on the button, you activate the light. 2 presses, stroke, and turn it off. And with holding, you turn it off. Wow. Wow. Okay, now before I go outside in my garden, I will see how much current is pulling while charging. I need to mention my coffee page where you can support my work and support my channel, and it's a page where you can send me 1 coffee or more coffees if you want, or be a monthly supporter. I have 163 supporters, and I want to say a big thanks to all of you. And also I have the top supporters. Here are they. Number 1, David from Sunny Penzance. Number 2, King Green, Hanover. Number 3, Code Lahoma, Scott Adams, Larry Mann, Bob Passing, Giorgio Licastro, Math, Cyber Whiskey, and a lot of more. And if you want to be a supporter, just check the description below this video. Thank you to all of you who already support my channel. And here it is, my latest and new USB doctor or USB meter. I'm gonna plug in, and you can monitor the volts, the amperes, the watts. Also it have a bar graph for monitoring the current and the volts. And I'm gonna this way so we can see it. What it says, the voltage little bit drop at 4.9 volts, and it's pulling 1.3 amperes, 6.4 watts. That means if the battery is 6000 milliamperes and it's empty, and with 1.3 amperes probably it will be charged in 4 hours. Alright. The current rate it's not a high, which is better for battery health. Alright, let's go outside. 79%. Also I will put links for this Type-C USB meter, and it's beautiful with metal case. And one more time to mention, I will put some discount codes below in description, so you can use them and save some money on buying these devices. Back to the studio, and here I have a digital scale, and I'm gonna measure the pressure. First speed 9 grams from distance of 10 centimeters. 18. Third speed 33 grams. Fourth speed 53. And fifth speed 70. Wow. I have been using for around 10 minutes, and the percentage is around 40%. It was 80, and it's holding pretty good. Also you will get this attachment. This is with wider opening, and this one it have openings from the both sides, so the air can blow on the sides. This is probably for cleaning the keyboards, which is nice, and I like it. And please tell me in the comments, would you like to open this thing? I don't want it, but if you are asking, I will open and see what is inside. Just comment below. Okay, that was all for today. Video review of this mini turbo fan. What it says, violent fan. Okay, the link will be in description below so you can check it. And okay, please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya tomorrow, every day new video.